Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our leading market stocks via our proprietary scans. This is going to be the look in the preview for the coming week. This is going to be for Monday, September 9th, 2013. Right now we've got a little bit of a sell condition here on the NASDAQ patch. A couple of buys, but they're definitely all offset with sell, so we're a little bit skewed to the sell side. A couple of volume deviations to point out. Getting a volume deviation in EA, Entertainment Arts. That one's to the downside on today's candle. We're 2% below the day's open. And on buy day, we're to the upside. Nice volume bump, and that's more than 2% above the day's open. Looking at the financials, a little bit of a different picture here. We're actually biased to the buy side. And these are a fair amount of CPS conditions, so this is pretty strong. So definitely early trading Monday, we're going to be looking at the financials on the long side of play. Moving on to the energy names, a little bit to the sell side here, but not a whole lot of volume. Schlumberger has a differential sell signal, meaning we're too far off the high of the day, and we're getting a pretty good volume bump there as well. Moving on to the generals. Generals look a little bit more like the NASDAQ patch, and they're skewed to the sell side, but for the most part, none of these are showing any kind of extreme volume. Housing stocks, we've got a couple of sell conditions here, Hovnanian and Toll Brothers, and they're both on increased volume, so keep an eye on those. Transport's a little bit weak, sell condition in Norfolk, and UPS has a signal on both sides, which will take care of itself by the close. And lastly, commodities, mostly seeing low volume action here. ACH and US Steel, the only two names here that have traded typical volume. Everything else is running below a typical run rate. Do have a fair amount of camouflage sell signals. We've got one in ABX, Double G, and also one in Potash. So there's a couple things to keep in mind for Monday. So chew on those over the weekend, and we will see you on Monday. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.